Okay, today we talk about a fraction. Fraction is also, I think, just easy. Fraction is a number. So it's what kind of number? Start like, we have mm, even number, odd number, natural, and even integer or something. Anyway, it's a number. Okay, so first we say, what is 3 with 1 over 2? This is a mixture fraction. So we can change to improper fraction. So it means 3 times 2 plus 1 divided 2. So 7 divided 2. What I mean? First we come here, 3 with 1 over 2. Okay, it's here. You see? 3, 1 over 2. Totally, for example, is pizza. The pizza is 3 pizza. 3 with 1 over 2. 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Then have the 1 over 2. 1 over 2. If we want to eat pizza, oh my god, I can eat a lot of pizza. I ate 3 pizza. 1 over 2, 3 pizza. Then with the last pizza is same size with the before 3 pizza. This same size, for example, is 12 inches. So here, but the last one is 1 over 2, only half. So we take half. Totally, the pizza I ate is here. 3 with 1 over 2. Totally here. 3 with 1 over 2. This mixed number. So we can also change to improper number. What's the reason? What's this? Why is it right? Here, I tell you why is it right. So this, you know that totally is 3 is 1 over 2. So I ate this is so many pizza. So this is the mixture fraction, but this is the improper fraction. Why it's same? So now I show you. So this is 1 over 2. But every pizza we cut to 2, cut 2 part, 2 part. Totally can calculate. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, the 2 part. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally here. 7 is here. It's 7 part. 7 part. But there's other information. We have 7 part. How did we get that? Because every pizza we cut to 2 part. Because the side we cut to how many part for every pizza? 2 is here. So 7 divided 2. 7 over 2. So it's same with 3 with 1 over 2. This from our observation is same. So that means it's right. So here we go back. So here 10 over 3. So this means is improper fraction. We change to mixed fraction. So how to do that? 10 over 3. How to do that? That means 10 divided 3. 10 divided 3. So it's very easy. Okay. Here we put 1. It's 3. 3 to 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So it's equal 3 with 1 over 3. So this is our solution. Y is right. So here I write, okay, here. How to write example? Okay, I give you a picture. For example, here, they totally, there's 10 ball, 10 ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay. Um, for example, there's a big ball, big ball. There's a big ball is here. So there's a 10 bread inside, but I can eat bread one day. I can eat three. How many days I can eat all this bread? One day I take three. Uh, it's not good. Okay, okay, come back. One day I eat three. How many days? One day and 2 day and 3 day. So you mean every day I eat three bread. How many days I can eat all this bread? So the 3 days, three is here. 3 days. So still remain one. But after 3 days, there's a fourth day. This fourth day, if I still want to eat bread, but it's not enough for me because every day usually I just eat three bread. Only remain one, remain one bread. But this one bread is how many ratio to previous day? Previous day, every day I eat three. So last day is one remain, but how many part ratio compared to previous day? It's three. Previous day, the last day is one. Previous day, every day I eat three bread. So compare is one compared to three. So it's one over three. So I write there. So that means I have 10 bread. So if every day I eat three, totally I can eat three with 1/3 day. So it's a little bit large than 3 day, but less 4 day. So I can only eat it this time. So for this 10 bread, I can eat three with 1/3 day. So it's same. So this calculation rule, this definition. So you should understand maybe some rule or some law is wrong. Okay, but you should test that. You should prove that. You should observe that. So now I observe that I have 10 bread. I eat every day. I eat three. So I eat about 3 days, I can eat all these 10 bread. So three, but I can eat 40, less 4 days. So it's here. So this is the solution here. Okay, about this fraction. This fraction is is proper fraction, but is not simplified. So we want to make them simplified. How to do that? We can observe because we can observe. We take that the same fraction, same coefficient out. So this odd number, we can rewrite 10, write 2 times 5, and here 24, 2 times 12. Why you can do that? But I tell you, timetable you must remember. So you can respond. You use your brain to calculate fast, not calculator, no calculator. Okay. So 10 we can write to 2 times 5, and 24 we can write 2 times 2 times 12. So let me 2 times 12 equal 24. Okay, this is equal, we can write that. But here we find the same factor is 2. So that means numerator with the denominator, same time we divide 2. We divide 2, right? We divide 2, so we can cancel this, divide 2. Hmm. Oh, that means, okay. So that means, in the previous video, I tell you this because the multiplication with division different. But you can calculate. You can take. You cannot first step calculate 5 divided 2. No, you cannot do that. But you can take divided 2. First calculate 2 divided 2. That's okay. That's rule okay. That's work. So Then I give you explain explain to you again. So now we calculate. So 2 divided 2. So we cancel that. So the solution should be 5 over 12. This is solution. So I tell you why it work is right. So that means 2 times 5 divided 2. Usually I tell you the rule should be from left to right. So now also I tell you the new rule. So you cannot make a 5 divided 2 first. No, that's wrong. But you can make a 2 divided 2. That's work. You can get the right answer. So here usually should be 2 times 5 is 10. 10 divided, oh, okay, a sec. 10 divided 2 is 5. Okay, this is this is normally method. So I can tell you others. 2 times 5 divided 2 equal 2 divided 2 times 5. So 1 times 5 equal 5. So it's same. So it's work. But if you first step do that 5 divided 2 is wrong. That's wrong. That's law. That's method. You cannot do that. That you can find your textbook. So it forbid do that. But because it's time multiplication with division different, so from left to right. But you cannot calculate this part together first step. But you can take 2 to first calculate. You can take 2 to first like this. 2 divided 2. Okay, that's what. So how do you remember? First step, try to remember this some definition from textbook. Then do more practice. If you don't do practice, you cannot remember. Also, you can use other method. So that means I tell you here, 2 times 5 divided 2. If you don't understand my this step, okay, no problem. You can write 2 times 5. Okay, time 2 mean it divided 2 times 1 over 2. Okay, then you can rewrite 2 times 5 divided 2 here. So denominator divided 2. So the solution also 5. Okay, now I think maybe you can, for you, it's easy to understand because here multiplication, both is the same operator. So you can change their order, no problem, like this. Okay, so next question we come here. So this part is fraction multiplication. Okay, just denominator time together. Nominator with denominator time together. That's the rule. How to understand this? First remember this rule, then to practice. Then you can get the right answer. 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. So 2 over 5 together times 3 times 4. Okay. So and now and the denominator is 2 times 3. Denominator is 5 times 4. So now we rewrite there, rewrite. So we can find 2 is odd even number. 4 is a even number. So we can find some same factor. So 2 times 3, 5 times 4, we can write 2 times 2. Okay, so 2 is a factor, 2 is factor, is the same. So we divide 2 same time, cancel. So our solution is denominator is 3. Denominator 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, this is our solution. Okay, here another calculation. So It's division. Division the rule, we can divide something as one number. We can according to the rule, we can change to division to multiplication. But meanwhile, we should get this number, this 6/10 to reciprocal. Okay, we do that. 3/8. Now we change the division to multiplication. Time, don't forget, make time the numbers reciprocal. So what means reciprocal? Change the guy's position from change the numerator with the denominator, change the upside their position. So here, change here 6 is denominator, 10 is the denominator, change them. 10 go to denominator, 6 go to denominator. Okay, so it work. So rewrite 3 times 10, 8 times 6. Okay, it work here. So we can find if they have some common factor. So we observe that here 3, here 6, 3, 6. 6 equal 2 times 3. And 10, 8 is both even number. So we can, even number mean they have factor 2. So we do that. 3 times 2 times 5. 10 equal 2 times 5. Denominator 8, 8 here. 8 equal 2 times 4. 6, 2 times 3. 6 equal, here, 6 equal 3 times 2. Okay, so you mean it work. So here, common factor, cancel, cancel. And here, 3, cancel, cancel, is same. So now we can write them together. So denominator is 5. Denominator is 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, last question is here. So this question is fraction addition. So we can write there. The first step we find there this the 7/5 is improper fraction. So meanwhile, we also observe that from our observation, we find the denominator is different. So according to the rule, we should make the denominator same. Then I will explain to you why this must make the denominator same. I tell you why. First step, I calculate it. Then I give you explanation. If you still don't understand, you can write a comment so I can make a new video for you. So 2/3 plus this improper fraction we change to mixed fraction. So 1. So why we do that? I tell you, 7/2 over 5 equal just 7 divide 5 1. We get to divide 5 5. 7 minus 5 is equal 2. Okay, so here is equal 1 with 2/5. That's here. Okay, so we can write the 3 part. 2/3 plus 1 plus 2/5. Okay, so here I change this one place to one to other places. So they mean all addition. So we can change to addition, no problem. We don't change their solution. So plus 2/3 plus 2/5. So now we make them together. We make a common denominator. 3 times 5, 2, 2 times 5 plus 2 times 3. Okay, 1 plus 15. So 10, 10. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So 1 plus 16 over 15. So also improper fraction. So change to a mixture fraction. 1 plus 1, 1 over 15. So the final solution should be 2 with 1 over 15. Okay. This is our final solution. So I show you why I do that. So the original question, I first write 2 over 3 plus 7 over 5. So first step, we change their improper fraction to this part, to mixture fraction. 2 over 3 plus 1 plus 2 over 5. Okay, what does that mean? For example, pizza. 1 part pizza, 2 part pizza, uh, uh, not 2, 1 group pizza, second group, third group. Okay, I show you what is pizza. So that means we add them together. Okay, I, for example, white people, I eat pizza. The one pizza, the whole pizza, but I don't eat whole pizza. So it's me. Okay, the whole pizza, same size. I cut to 3 part. I eat 2 part, 3 part, but I don't eat them all. I only eat 2 part. But this I take a italic line, so I eat that. Then second pizza. Second pizza is 1. Is here. I eat all of them. I don't cut. I eat all of them. So it is 1. Okay, then we go to third pizza. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Okay, the third pizza, I cut to 5 part, 5 small part, but I don't eat, I only take 2 small part out. So this all the pizza I eat 8. So from our observation, you can find I eat, 1 whole pizza is here. But this 2 part, this part with this, I don't know how to add them together. But my teacher asked me to add them together. But but it's not number, the fraction different. So that means, this side, this side is different size with them. With this, how to do that? I confuse them. But the size is different, so I cannot add them together. But I should make the size same. So why we do that? We find the denominator same, different. So I can cut them, make a small piece. How to find the number? So we can make 3 times 5 together. So that means the times minimum less times. So less time is 15. 15. That means 3 times 5 is 15. We can first 3, 5 is here. I show you. 3, 5. So the common times, the first until they make their time the same. So for example, 3, we make one time is 6. So 5 one time is 10. It's not same. Say 6 is not uh is not equal 10. So then we make them totally for 3 times 9. So 3 times 15. Then again 3 to 5 times then 12. 3 times 4 is 12. And 5 times 4 is 20. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, now we find their what time the same. So here 15, here 15. That means when 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 5 is 15. So about this one, how many? So that means we make this pizza, we cut to 15 part. So this is before we cut to 3 part. But this now, because we find the common time is 15, so every small part we cut to 5. Okay, that means this pizza total size is same. So for example, a 12-inch pizza, any size is okay. 12 inches or 18 inches, okay, it's okay. But anyway, this whole pizza we cut to 15 part. So 15. So now, before I eat the pizza is 2 over 3. So equal 15 over 10. Why I change to simplify fraction to not simplified fraction? Because I want to make their denominator same. Otherwise, it cannot calculate. So this part also, so before it's 5 to 2. Now I change to here. 5 to 2 equal 15 to 6. So that means if we cut this all piece of 15 small part, so that's before it's 2 part change to 6 part. So now the denominator with denominator is same because every small part is same size, so we can add them together. So that means 10 plus 6 divided 15. So we can add them together because every small part is same size. So this 16 divided 15. So it's the improper fraction. So I change to mixture fraction, 1 with 1 over 15. So this y I calculate like this. Final solution is here. Why I do that? So now and here I explain to you with the picture, with the picture here. I hope you can understand. So if you don't understand, that's okay. Write a comment. Okay, no more question.